Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to merge duplicate contacts within TopProducer 8i. So let's get started. Let's go over to TopProducer 8i and sign in. We'll then need to go over to Contacts and hover down to Show Duplicates. Click. And as we can see here, it tells us how many duplicates we have, and it's sorted by name. You can also sort them by email address. So as you can see here, we have Paul DeChico mentioned twice. So let's select both contacts and click on Merge Selected. Everything seems to be okay here, so we'll click Merge. We'll just click Continue. If you click Continue and open Merge Record, it'll just show a pop-up window with what that new contact looks like. So we'll click on Continue. You gotta wait for it while it does its thing. And it's done. Alright, so let's move on to another contact. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this contact is you might run into this problem yourself. So, as you can see here, we have two different names for the same contact, pretty much. And let's see what that looks like when we try to merge. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a conflict with the name as well as the business phone number. Um, there's a conflict in the name because the first contact we have saved, it just shows the last and first name, and this one shows last, spouse name and the first name as well. So let's hover on over to edit so we can see what that looks like. And once we click on edit, it shows us two options, and we can select which value we want our new merge contact to have. In this case, I'll leave it as I'll leave both names there. So I'll click OK, and you can see here the business phone number. Also, there's a conflict with that, and the reason being is that we have a business phone number here that is different from the business phone number mentioned in the second contact. So let's click edit, and in this case I'm just going to leave the 5541 number. Actually, I'm going to switch it to the 215-669-4193 number and make that the primary. And just because I did that, that doesn't mean the other phone number, the other business number will get lost. It'll just show as other with a business tag next to it. So let's click merge and see what happens. Okay, there we go. And let's just do one more. Select both contacts. Sometimes you may need to select three, or four contacts if you've entered that same person in there multiple times. But it will not let you select more than 5 contacts. So if for some reason you have, let's say, 6 different entries for the same person, you might want to do 5 first and then merge that with the last one, with the 6th one. So let's click merge for this guy. Okay, Dyer Keith, and I'm not sure what this one means, but we'll select the second one for the name. The primary address. We have 2 addresses here. So let's see. Let's look at the date. This one was entered in February of 2012, and this one was created in February of 2011. So my gut feeling tells me that the first one is the more recent one. So we'll go with this address as the primary, and it's already selected as the primary, so we'll leave it at that. And I'm just going to click merge, And in this case, I'm going to click continue and merge record, or an open merged record, just so I can see what that looks like. And there it is, it's up here. Okay, so let's look at contact details for starters. Okay, everything looks good. We got the email, we got the phones, and let's click on properties. Okay, there we go. There's our primary address and there's our secondary address. So it didn't lose anything. It just changed the hierarchy of things. So if you were to, try and send out a letter or a postcard or something, it'll choose this one over this one. So that's all that means. Okay, so now we can close out of this, and that's pretty much it. So just repeat the process for all the ones that are left here. Thank you. Bye.